guys, this video is for my submission of CS50W Project 4 network. This is a social app like Twitter that people can add new post, follow and unfollow each other and these things. So let's go to the application and see how my application is really work. So at first, you can see the all posts page as the main page or the home page that shows you the all posts are made in the website by its users. And if you want to add new post, we should first log in from here. Um, and if you want an account, you should register from here. So I have an account and register, login. And at the top, I can share my thoughts with us. Click on it. And to add new post from here, for example, I type hello guys and send the post. It shows me the success message. Click on the OK, and I can see my post here, the post I made on this website, and the number of likes. And if we go to the all post again, you can see the post, my ID, the likes, the timestamp, and these things. And also we can see the other's profile from here. For example, the admin, I click on his username, and it shows me the admin's profile, the joined at time, uh, the followers, the posts, and his posts here. And if we want to follow him, if we click on the follow, it adds to his followers, and unfollow removed from the followers. So the other thing I want to show you of my application is the following page. If we click on this, it shows me the my following posts. For example, I followed admin, and now I can see his post here in the following page. So let's go back to the all posts page. So in the social apps application, people post a lot in this, and we can show all of them here in the main page. So we need a pagination. If we go to the bottom, we can see it. And that we can go to the second page, and we can see the others and the previous, and we can also have the access to the last page if we had more than two, and the first page. User also has the ability to edit and remove the post that posted on the application. For example, let's go to the post that we made together, click on the edits, and now we can edit my posts. For example, hello guys, to edit. Your post deleted successfully. It shows that this to me, and I press to OK. Okay, and now we have this edited here. And if we want to remove it, click on it, click on yes, and it's removed my post from the application. The other functionality I want to show you is to like and unlike a post on the website. For example, go to the one of the admin's post and click on the heart button, and it shows me it's liked. If I clicked in again, it shows me the unlike, unlike. For my post either, it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the application and my presentation. um, Follow me to know more about my journey in CS50W.